Good morning, everybody. We're here on 4th floor, and today's ID is the Dr. Seuss.
Oh, yes.
Alright. Elevator banks. Most of the stores open here in about 15. Good lounge. Have lots of shows in here. Welcome show here this evening. Got music going, so I'll have to dump some other music on. So I won't stay here long. This is one of the muster stations. That I was on last night. Ear piercing. Men's watches there. Morning. Upper Promenade. 5. There's the other Carmel kiosk. ATM there. Cherry on top. This is one of the largest ones in their fleet. They have the ice cream in with it. Beauty. Perfumes, lotion, that type of stuff.
I tried to read it through there, and then I messed with my eyes. I couldn't do it.
Clinique. Ruffle around. Dolce & Gabbana, Dior, Chanel. Those type. More expensive ones. People are already at the bar this morning. We usually have people over there doing music. Listened to a little bit last night. You'll see probably in the video. Another elevator. Watch area. He's opening that one. So hopefully by the time I get around. I got the necklace last night. These are, I got diamonds for breakfast. There's the ones that'll be coming out.
Coffee. Yeah.
There you go.
Straight down, all the way down.
Carnival sailors, whatever you want to call them. They trade them if they don't have them and all that. Let's see. And I make my way back around to the hip fish. Got about 5 minutes. It looks like they're opening early. Some of them. Let's see. There we go. All right. I'm going to look around. I missed. Oh, there's. Yeah, got red ones. Good morning. The blue ones. Kind of thinner red. I'm thinking. Not sure how much these are. I'll come back. Get your sunglasses and your reading glasses. Clearance. Well, it just has a carnival corner. White with a red, white, and blue.
No, so are they gonna be 35 or you gonna charge me 39 like you did yesterday?
One. There we go.
Cause you see, that was a sweatshirt. So why you charge me?
All right. Got little tie plushies. Do they have any? I don't think so. Got flip-flops there. Let's see. Okay. That's $11 there. I'm gonna scoot that over just a hair. Ooh, one for the Horizon on it. Got $10 off ticket. Ooh, I like that. Oh, this has UV protection. I was trying to find the one I had. Oh, I like that. Yeah. Blue one just has the carnival there. Okay. Pink. And sunglasses. I'm assuming this is like a bag. Can't really tell. Towel clips, which I just got. Let's see if I can pull one of these out here. It's like a. I don't really have anything. There we go. One of those type bags. Carnival.
I know. I get it.
Oh, sweatshirt. Yay. Okay.
See, I'm not cheap. They have a broken suitcase and have to.
How much for the table with the cloth on it?
I think this wrong.
She got it. She wants to smile.
This is the backpack.
These are all. I might need to buy one of those for the way out of here. Okay.
The backpack. More sweaters.
Get our stuff off the boat.
Coffee cups. I'm not sure. It's a backpack. The sweaters got the book bag. It's a coffee mug. A 3D model. Let's see. Adult. It doesn't say a price.
That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to come in and see if I liked any of these better before I did that, but I actually think I like the ones like yours.
Isn't
So yeah, I will do that, but I wanted to make sure that
yeah.
I'm like, okay, what do I like first?
Okay.
Like one of the backpacks.
Those. Some shorts. Some trunks. Ooh, I like that. Red, white, and blue carnival. Bottle thing. A coin. Waterproof bag. These are. Okay, yeah. $30 for that. Okay. Huh.
You can feel it.
Well, hang on a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm back. There's some more Little Horizon. I don't see the one I got.
Mine don't have to be prescription now anyway, so.
I got the more glammy ones.
Pretty
Got
much.
2 for $15. Okay.
I was so focused on looking.
For the funnel hat. I think. Yep.
Yeah, there's nothing I like as well as like the one you got quality wise, so.
Okay.
Right?